How to apply for Lazada Home Credit. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to apply for Lazada Home Credit. Open the Lazada app and log in to your account. On the home screen, search for the product you wish to purchase using Home Credit. Once you find the desired product, tap on it to view the product details. Then, tap on the Buy Now or Add to Cart button to proceed with the purchase. In the checkout process, select Home Credit as your payment method. Now, you will be redirected to the Home Credit application form. Next, fill in the required personal and financial information accurately. Review the terms and conditions of the Home Credit loan. Ensure you understand the interest rates, repayment terms, and any additional fees. After reviewing, submit your application for approval. Wait for a confirmation message from Home Credit. This may take a few minutes to a few hours. Once approved, you will receive a confirmation notification. Your product will be processed for shipment. Keep track of your repayment schedule and ensure timely payments to maintain a good credit history with Home Credit. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.